birthday and more birthdays to come. Good health. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Wala na. Na? Love you. Birthday, Taan. God bless. Happy birthday, Taan. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tita Ann. I love you.
Happy birthday, Taan. God bless you.
And happy birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Hi Taan. Happy 60th birthday. Wish ko lang good health kag more birthdays to come. Enjoy lang na Canada. Halong per may God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi Tita Ann, happy birthday. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy 60th birthday, Tita Ann. God bless you.
Hi Taan, happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy Canada, and may God continue to guide, bless, and protect you and your family. God bless you and have a good one.
Hi Tita Ann, happy birthday. Tita na-enjoy ang sa Canada. Good health lang for me.
Happy birthday Taan, halong permi, God bless.
Hi Mama, Mami. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ma. Enjoy ka lang da. Ito puli mo magkas ka naman di dayon. Daw na kami si mo sa kulay. Kag si Paula. Gusto niya ikaw malulong siya sa school. Anong kada ma, bye-bye. I love you. Miss you.
Mama. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. I miss you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Mama Ann. I love you.
I miss you, Mama.
I miss you, Mama Ann. Happy birthday, Mama Ann. I love you. I miss you. Dalong puli ano di Mama. I miss you. Di dalong mo ko dala sa school. Happy birthday, Mama Ann. I love you. Bye. Happy birthday, Mama Ann. I love you. I love you too. Me too, Mama. Me too, Mama.